Hello, everybody, and great day. So, I'm sharing my CVAP week for experience, and this week was a bit different kasi half day lang po yung naging session namin. And the rest of the afternoon was used for preparing our final presentation as a batch. But even if it was a shorter session po, ang dami ko pa rin learnings, especially from our speaker, Ms. Lynn Gonzalez. So, the main topic of week 4 was parang all about legalities. Basically, how to protect yourself as a voice artist. Ang dami kong naging realizations din dito. So, Miss Lean explained to us what it really means to protect yourself in this industry, what to look out for when dealing with companies or clients, how to make sure you're not being taken advantage of, and what it means to value your work as a voice talent. She also discussed how important it is to understand contracts. And wait lang, ang ingay. So yun, before the session, I honestly had no idea po how detailed these things could be. I learned that voice acting is not just creativity and performance. Parang it's also business then. And as a BO artist, you have to be smart. You have to know what you're signing up for. When she discussed po the contracts, I realized na hindi enough yung basta pinasa mo lang ay okay na. You really have to read everything carefully. You have to understand the terms, check for the red flags, and make sure your rights and your work are protected. And it was a huge eye opener for me. Another thing that really caught my attention was the difference between a regular resume po and a voice artist resume. I didn't realize na iba pala talaga yung format, content, and yung approach. So we were guided on what you should include, what you don't really need, and paano siya dapat i-present professionally. We were also taught po how to create a voice over demo reel. And isa pa sa naging highlights was learning about red flags, yellow flags, and green flags when dealing with clients. Sometimes po 'di ba dahil sometimes I know nangyari din talaga 'to. Dahil excited tayo sa opportunities, we forgot to question things. But after discussion, I became so much aware and I realized that not every offer is good. Not wait, ang kate. Not every client is trustworthy and not every opportunity is worth taking. So you really have to be careful, ask questions, and be aware of signs that something might be off. Overall po, week 4 ay maiksi man, pero sobrang content heavy and eye-opening. So, ayun lamang po and thank you so much.